Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we are working on 2018 Rogue, and it's been having a couple different errors that have been showing up. But one is a 2004, which is basically just kind of like a carbon buildup on your intake manifold. This is a beast to even attempt to try to get off, so I'm going to try to do a couple things first. One, I actually gave it a tune-up. I put all new plugs and coils in. And next, we are going to be replacing the PCV valve in here. And basically, what that does is it emits a lot of carbon into a system, especially the intake where it goes back through to kind of like reburn. So you can get a lot of buildup due to that. As well as the intake butterfly. I'm going to spray down with carbon choke cleaner really good to kind of get that all cleaned off. But in the meantime, I'm going to replace this because a lot of times they get all gummed up and that can create a weird vacuum system in here. And believe it or not, this will probably change a lot in the system itself. So a lot of guys tend to clean them. You know what? For a couple bucks, you just replace them. You know, that's the biggest thing. So anyway, it's right here. You got a little vacuum hose that's on top of it. You can get in there with a little socket. You can even use a regular old wrench to kind of get in there. And it's really simple. You just kind of get it started, and it'll start going as soon as you get. You hear it squeaking a little bit because it's got a little rubber gasket on there, and just a couple turns. Then you should probably almost be able to get it by hand. No, but we're not quite there yet. A couple more turns, and then that thing's making me a little bit of a liar. Okay. There we go. Okay. So got that coming out. Now this motor's got 85,000 miles on it, so it has a lot, and you can tell it's kind of gummed up. Some guys shake them, and if it doesn't shake, it's all plugged. But anyway, for the cost of a new one, we're just going to put a brand new one in there. Same thing, we'll tighten it down with the good old-fashioned crescent wrench. And just go. It's a plastic piece. It's got a gasket on it, so you don't have to be like He-Man tighten it down, but get it to where it is snug. And I think we're just about, yeah, we're just about there. One more quarter turn should probably about do it. Okay, so yeah, we bottom out on that. Okay, so that's it. Brian for Garage Mahal. That is your quick and easy PC valve replacement. And like I said, make sure you put your hose and you clamp it back down. And this job's done. All right, Brian for Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there, everyone. And thanks for subscribing.